Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate destination for the latest car and bike insights. If you love powerful machines, cutting-edge technology, and expert reviews, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and stay updated with all things automotive. Today, we bring you something truly special, a vehicle that combines adventure, luxury, and Toyota's legendary reliability. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is here, and it promises to revolutionize the world of travel and exploration. Whether you're an avid traveler, a weekend adventurer, or someone looking for a perfect blend of comfort and mobility, this motorhome is designed to meet your needs. The first thing that grabs attention is its futuristic yet rugged design. Toyota has crafted this motorhome with aerodynamics and durability in mind. The sleek body lines not only enhance aesthetics but also improve fuel efficiency. The reinforced chassis and high ground clearance make it ideal for all terrains, from highways to off-road trails. Its bold front fascia, signature LED headlights, and dynamic grille give it a commanding road presence. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is powered by a robust hybrid powertrain. Toyota has engineered a system that delivers impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on power. With a combination of a highly efficient gasoline engine and an electric motor, this motorhome ensures you can travel long distances with minimal fuel stops. The advanced regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery, maximizing energy use on the go. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed by a luxurious and high-tech cabin. Toyota has taken comfort to the next level with premium materials, ergonomic seating, and an intelligently designed interior layout. The motorhome offers a spacious living area with modular furniture that adapts to different needs. The built-in smart control panel allows you to manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with just a touch or voice command. One of the standout features of the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is its fully equipped kitchen. With a high-tech induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator, and ample storage, preparing meals on the road has never been easier. The dining space is designed for both comfort and functionality, converting into an additional sleeping area when needed. The sleeping quarters are nothing short of a luxury hotel suite. The plush memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows create a cozy yet open atmosphere. Whether you prefer a king-sized bed or a bunk-style setup, Toyota offers flexible configurations to suit different travel needs. The motorhome also features a state-of-the-art bathroom with a spacious shower, eco-friendly water system, and high-end fixtures for a true home-like experience. Safety and technology are at the core of Toyota's design philosophy. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is equipped with the latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced collision avoidance system. The 360-degree camera system provides a complete view around the vehicle, making maneuvering and parking a breeze. Connectivity is another highlight of this motorhome. With 5G compatibility, integrated Wi-Fi, and multiple USB and wireless charging points, staying connected on the road is effortless. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium surround sound system to enhance your travel experience. Toyota has also focused on sustainability with this motorhome. The integrated solar panel system helps generate power for appliances and lighting, reducing reliance on external sources. The eco-friendly insulation ensures optimal temperature control while minimizing energy consumption. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip, a weekend getaway, or a full-time van life experience, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is built to exceed expectations. It perfectly balances luxury, technology, and rugged capability, making it one of the most exciting releases in the motorhome industry. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Toyota Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more in-depth automotive content. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and as always, keep your ride ready.